Welcome, children. This is your Social Science Olympiad workbook, Class 5. The contents. There are 11 chapters. This is the OMR sheet which you have to fill. The first chapter is our Earth. The test skills are features of the Earth, grids on the Earth, landforms and water bodies, globe and maps, rotation and revolution, natural resources. Number 1. Read the given sentence and select the option that correctly fills the blank. Dash days are taken by the Earth to complete one rotation on its axis, and dash days are taken by the Earth to complete one revolution in its orbit around the center of our solar system. There are two columns, 1 and 2. There are 4 options A, B, C, D. And the correct answer is C. 1, 365, 1/4. Okay. 1 stands for 1 day is taken by the Earth to complete one rotation, which causes day and night. That is equivalent to 24 hours, and 365 1/4 days it takes to revolve around the sun, which causes season. Number 2. Due to the tilted axis of the Earth at an angle, A. Season in the northern hemisphere can be the same as the season in the southern hemisphere. B. The northern hemisphere will always have summer and the southern hemisphere will always have winter. C. Southern hemisphere will always have summer and the northern hemisphere will always have winter. None of these. And the correct option is A. An imaginary line runs around the center of the Earth. It is called equator. It divides the Earth into two halves. Upper half is called the northern hemisphere and the lower half is called the southern hemisphere. When the North Pole is tilted towards the sun, northern hemisphere has summer season. During this period, South Pole is tilted away from the sun, so southern hemisphere has winter season. When this condition reverses, the season in these hemisphere changes. Number 3. Paths near the equator have no marked dash because dash. A. Forest, they face the sun for 6 months continuously. B. Landforms, they face the sun for 6 months continuously. C. Seasons, they remain at almost same angle to the sun throughout the year. D. Water bodies, they remain at the almost same angle to the sun throughout the year. The correct answer is C. The equator is an imaginary line that goes through the center of the Earth horizontally. Parts near the equator receive the same amount of sunlight throughout the year as they remain at almost same angle to the sun throughout the year. Hence, they do not have marked season. Number 4. Girardus Mercator was a dash. There are 4 options. It is A. Dutch cartographer. Girardus Mercator was a Dutch cartographer credited for creating one of the first world maps in 1569. Number 5. Select the correct match. Vatican City, largest country. Ocean in the world, 7 in number. Globe, model of the earth. Russia, largest continent. It is C. Globe, model of the earth. Vatican City is the smallest country. There are 5 oceans. And Russia is the largest country. Number C is the correct option. 6. Which of the following map symbols show a bridge? A, B, C and D. And the correct answer is C. Map symbol shown in this option A, B and C, D are A shows the symbol shows of a railway, B is of metal road, C is bridge and D is rivers. Which meridian has designated as the international date line? There are 4 options again, and the correct answer is B. Longitudes are also known as meridians. They are numbered in degrees. The 180-degree meridian is designated as the international date line. Number 8. Refer to the given pie chart. There are 4 types of pie chart. In this, what we have to say is, which of these pie charts correctly represents the portion of the earth covered by water? Note, the shaded portion represents the fraction of earth not covered by water. There are 4 options and the correct one is D. 3/4 of the earth's area is covered with water and 1/4 of it is covered by land. Number 9. Select the odd one out on this basis of the type of landform. A. Atacama, B. Kalahari, C. Shivalik and D. Sahara. It is C. Shivalik is a mountain range and the rest is the deserts. Number 10. Petroleum taken out from the earth is in a dash. It is taken out in crude form. That is number C. Number C is the correct option. Petroleum is taken out from the earth in a crude form. It is then refined and turned into various usable products like petrol, diesel, etc. Number 11. Study the given relationship and fill in the blank with the correct option. Arctic Circle dash Tropic of Cancer 23.5 degree north. The correct answer is A, 66.5 degree north. Number 12. Select the correct statement regarding the given picture. A. It gets its energy from rainfall. B. It traps energy from the sun. C. Coal is burned for running it. D. It takes energy from wind. The correct answer is B. The object shown in the given picture is a solar panel. It traps the energy from the sun. Number 13. Dash is an inexhaustible resource of energy. There are four options: sun, coal, ore, and petroleum. And the correct option is A. Sun is an inexhaustible resource of energy. It can be used again and again, whereas coal, ore, and petroleum are exhaustible and cannot be replaced easily. Number 14. The prime meridian passes through dash. There are four options. And the correct option is C. Greenwich. In 1884, Greenwich, a place near London, was fixed as the starting point for numbering meridians. The meridian that passes through Greenwich was marked as 0 degree and named as the prime meridian. Number 15. Which of the following statement is incorrect about the earth? There are four options. A. It consists 7 continents. B. About 30% of its surface is covered with water. C. It has one natural satellite called Moon. D. It is the only planet that supports life. And the correct option is B. About 71% of Earth's surface is covered with water. Number 16. Which latitude of the Earth is also known as Great Circle? There are four options: Tropic of Cancer, Antarctic Circle, Equator, Tropic of Capricorn. And the answer is number C. Equator is the latitude that is also known as the Great Circle. It divides Earth into northern and southern hemisphere. Number 17. I am an imaginary line on the surface of the earth. I am drawn horizontally at the center of the globe and is marked at 0 degree. I divide the globe into two equal halves. Who am I? There are four options, and the correct option is B. Equator. Equator is an imaginary line horizontal on the Earth's surface that divides the Earth into two equal halves called Northern Hemisphere and Southern Hemisphere. Number 18. The fixed elliptical path in which the Earth circles around the Sun is called an dash. A. Axis, B. Orbit, C. Hemisphere, D. Pole. And the correct option is orbit, that is B. The correct option is B. Number 19. What is a grid? There are four options, that is the starting line for the numbering the latitudes. B. Meridian that passes through the Greenwich. C. Network of parallels and meridians on the globe. D. Semicircles joining the North Pole and the South Pole. And the correct answer is C. Network of parallels and meridians on the globe. Number 20. Read the following statement and select the option that identifies the correct ones. 1. Mountains act as barriers against cold or hot winds. Most rivers originate in the mountains. Highlands with a flat top are called hills. A river passes through 3 stages: upper, middle, and lower before reaching the sea. There are 4 options, and the correct option is A. That is, highlands with a flat top are called plateaus. Sorry, children, here there is a misprint. It is written hills in number 3. It will be plateaus. You can cut it and write it plateaus. Okay? Highlands with the flat top are called plateaus. Okay? Instead of hills, write plateaus. Okay. So we go to the 21 question, that is achievers section, that is written HOTS. Okay? Refer to the given picture and select the correct statement about W, X, Y, and Z. A. X is Tropic of Capricorn that lies to the north of the equator. W is Antarctic Circle that lies at 66° north latitude. C. Y is equator and Z is Tropic of Cancer. D is none of these. The answer is D. W, X, Y, and Z is the given picture of Arctic Circle, Tropic of Cancer, Equator, and Tropic of Capricorn respectively. Tropic of Cancer lies towards the north of the equator. Antarctic Circle lies at 66.5° south latitude. Number 22. Match the column and select the correct options. Column 1 and column 2. Color on a map represents blue plateaus, green mountains, brown plains, yellow water bodies. Now there are 4 options and the correct option is C. That is A. Blue is water bodies, green is plains, C is mountains, and D is plateaus. That is blue. Again I'll repeat. Blue is water body, green is plains, brown is mountains, and yellow is plateaus. Number 23. Which of the following cannot be found in the given word grid? A. They are hills of sand in a desert. B. It is a cold desert of India. C. It is developed in the old stage of a river. D. It is also known as tableland. The correct answer is C. A. It is sand dunes. B. It is Ladakh. C is delta and D is plateaus. So C is the correct answer. Number 24. Refer to the given Venn diagram and select the option that correctly identifies X and Y. A highland with a flat top, type of landform present in India. There are 4 options, X and Y. There are 2 columns. Tibetan Plateau, Indus Valley. B. Deccan Plateau, Colorado Plateau. C. Chota Nagpur Plateau, Deccan Plateau. D. Malwa Plateau, Mount Everest. And the correct option is B. In the given Venn diagram, X refers to a type of landform present in India and it is a high land with flat top. It could be Deccan Plateau, Chota Nagpur Plateau or Malwa Plateau. Y refers to the plateau that is not present in India. It could be Colorado Plateau present in the United States of America. So children, the answer is B. Now let us see the 25th question. Study the given word chop table. Which of the given set of boxes are not correctly matched? There are 4 options. A book of maps, that is 5 and 7. Let us see 5 and 7. It's over here, it's written at and 7 is las. So that becomes atlas. B. A model of earth 2 and 10. GL and OBE, that is globe. Number C, arrow in a map points in this direction 1 and 6. 1 is NO and 6 is RTH, that is north. And D is this type of map shows countries, states, etc. That is 4, 8 and 12. 4 is RE, 8 is LI and 12 is EF. That means it is relief. But maps that shows countries and state is known as political map. So the numbers will be 3, 9 and 11. So the answer is D. For this option, the answer is D. Okay. Okay, children. So we come to an end of this chapter. This is again the OMR place where you have to color it with your HB pencil. You have to darken that circle. Whichever is your answer, you have to darken those places with your pencil. Thank you so much. Take care.